traditional Korean paste that we use for a lot of our Hanji projects at Hanji Gifts. And so the recipe is really simple. You probably have this stuff at home already. It's just 2 leveled off tablespoons of white flour. Make sure you choose the white powdery flour and not like whole wheat or whole grain. None of the healthy stuff, just plain old white flour. All the gluten.
Sugar?
No sugar, just flour. And then 1 cup of water. So you're gonna mix your 2 tablespoons of flour and 1 cup of water in a pot and mix it all up first.
Can I pour it in?
Next time we make it, you can pour it in. You're really good at pouring.
My hand is close here.
Ah, they're cold. So you're gonna put it in your pot and mix it all up. And then you turn on the heat. And this is something I didn't know before, that you need to heat it up. Bring it to a boil.
Feel.
Your hands are cold. Bring it to a boil while mixing. And stir and stir and stir. And then once it's boiling, take it off your heat. And you want it to have this kind of consistency. No clumps, not too thick and not too thin. And this is the perfect pull for doing all the Hanji crafts we'd like to do. All right, ready, Diana?
Neat. Wave.
Do you want to go make a lamp now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
We hope you liked our video. If you did, why not click the like button? And if you want to see more from Hanji Gifts, please subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of great content to share with you, like how to make a Hanji paper lamp. Have a great day!